Condition in COBOL. A condition is an entity that one point of time can have only one of the two values, true or false. In COBOL, a condition can be relational condition, sign condition, class condition, conditional name, and negative, simple, or compound condition. We have relational operators for relational condition. The relational condition indicates a comparison between two operands. Operand 1, relational operator, and operand 2 is greater than, is less than, is equal. We can put here not for negation. Is not greater than, is not less than, is not equal. Respectively, we can use greater than symbol instead of greater. Respectively, less, equal. We have if statement, that is conditional statement in COBOL. If A is greater than B, or A is greater than B. If A is greater than B, value for A, value for B. Here A is greater than B, then A minus B is 10. We have else clause if statement. If condition is true, then execute this statement. Otherwise, if condition is false, then execute statements in else clause. This is relational operator, greater than. We use symbol greater than as relational operator. If value of A is greater than B, then display as greater than B and this. Otherwise, only display B minus value of as it is here.